Good afternoon, folks. Well, just look at the brandy. Can you see the brandy here? What we started on yesterday. Look how that's starting to ferment. Look at that. It's going like the clappers, isn't it? And you can see. Can you see this one here? This is the strawberry. What I started from a kit. That should have finished a week ago, and it's going like mad. Just look at that. And this is the brandy. Oh no, it's not, sorry. Yeah, this is the brandy one. It's it is looking very pale. That's because there's more things to add to it in a couple of weeks' time. But just look at that, folks. So what we got in here? See, we've got 8 demijohns going at the minute. I love to hear that sound of that bubbling. Just look at that. Okay, thanks for watching.